Corky's Early Bird is one of the most popular tournaments in the Mikan Championship Series.
We're in Owatonna, Minnesota at 28th Annual Corky's Early Bird Men's Slow Pitch Softball Classic. Started the tournament 28 years ago, and we're off and running here for the 28th year in 2007.
And with prize packages valued at over $27,000, it's easy to understand why.
112 teams in this tournament. That's all we can handle. We got 50 teams on a waiting list, and it was filled on March 20th this year.
Well, it's a kickoff to the 2007 season, and it's a great opportunity to get out here and see all the guys that we haven't seen for, 6-7 months. Oh, I'll tell you what, the camaraderie that's out here is just unbelievable. We look forward to coming to this tournament every year.
We've got teams from North and South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin, and then, of course, Minnesota.
Teams don't just come for the prizes, though. The Friday night party is known as Spring Bash. This is the unofficial kickoff for the softball season in the Midwest.
Go Rockets! Now we've got the SCLC Rockers from Chicago, Illinois.
We're from the south side of Chicago.
Go Chicago! The manager of that team is Corky, and saw it on the internet, and had to come and play in a tournament after his name, so it's his first time here.
Oh, we're loving it. We're loving it. This is awesome. This is like heaven on earth. It's softball all over the place, and another Corky. What could I say?
Oh yeah, we always have a good time. We get all the friends up here and have a few cocktails and have some pork patties, of course. And, yep, Seal County's famous pork patties.
Welcome to Spring Bash is what we call it. It's underneath the big top tent. We've got a sponsor, Owatonna Concrete Products, so we call it the cement tent. Just a lot of fun. Early in the year, everybody likes to be getting fired up, talking stories of last year, stories about this year, so it's always a good time.
I'm here for my bachelorette party. Well, I'm an Owatonna native, and I've spent many days on this field playing fast pitch softball. So I am going to be pitching the first pitch of the next game. Woohoo!
The beer tent's always going from like 8 o'clock in the morning till about midnight Friday and Saturday night.
Back then we all drank pass-through ribbon, now everybody drinks that light beer stuff. I still like my originals beer.
Anybody who has a chance to come out here and experience this, definitely have to come out here. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It's phenomenal out here.
We've got the best of the best here, though, is what it is. Competition is the best. Every single division, there isn't one single easy game. They're all playing. They all have to play their best.
In the upper Midwest, you just don't find the quality of softball teams that you find up here at Corky's Early Bird, and I would just like to say thanks a lot.
Oh, they're winning the Mikan package, $1,000 Mikan package, WeFest tickets, travel expense, gift certificates, and the big package, of course, is the Mikan package, of course.
As always, the top 6 teams in each division qualify for all 3 of the Mikan Championship Series finals. We'll see them in Panama City, Minnesota, or Las Vegas.